In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blades on your Tekton Automatic Wire Stripper. The tools I recommend for this procedure are a 5/32 straight mini pry bar, a 1/16 inch probe, a pair of mini needle nose pliers, a small dead blow hammer, or similar tools, and you'll need the replacement blade kit. Be careful during this process as the blades are sharp. First, remove the length stop using a mini pry bar. Next, flip the wire strippers over and pry off this cover on the underside of the jaw. Then go ahead and remove the rear and upper pins using a probe. These can be pressed out in either direction. Then use pliers to fully remove the pins. Next, remove the lower blade cover by prying it up and unhooking it from the upper jaw. Remove the upper blades by pulling them down and popping them out of the track. Again, be careful on this step because the blades are sharp. Next, remove the lower blade by pushing up on these tabs until it pops up and out of place. You'll need to unhook the spring to fully remove the lower blade. Next, remove this upper V-notch piece. To remove, push on this tab to pop it out of place. Now it's time to rebuild the wire strippers. Go ahead and get your replacement components ready. First, press the upper V-notch piece until it clicks into place. Next, install the new lower blade. Hook the spring and then press the blade into place. Then install the upper blade by working it into the track until you can press it down into place. Reinstall the lower blade cover by hooking it into the upper jaw and then adjusting it until it snaps into place in the lower jaw. Then reinstall the upper pin and the rear pin, setting them into place and then gently tapping them in with a hammer until they're flush. Next, reinstall the cover on the underside of the lower jaw by setting it into place and then pressing it down firmly. Note, the prying notch should face the front of the jaws. Finally, reinstall the length stop, ensuring that the crossbar is closest to the blades. Also, make sure this arrow is closest to the blades. Go ahead and test out your wire strippers, make sure they're working properly, and if you have any questions, reach out to us at tekton.com/support.